Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply for an Indian employment visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to how to apply for an Indian employment visa that enables you to take up paid employment in India, you need to submit as per your location. For example, if you are in Canada, you're going to apply at Consulate of India. I mean, they have outsourced it to BLS Canada. Through that, you're going to apply. So similarly, like you need to apply it at your nearby consulate or embassy. And if they have outsourced it to third-party agency, you got to go through them. But the process is almost similar. That's what I'm going to say. And like other visas, like you need to first of all, submit the form online on this India Visa Online government visa site. Then you need two color passport photograph, valid passport with at least 190 days validity, so more than 6 months, and at least two blank pages. Employment contract, okay. Spouse and dependent family members accompanying the applicant. They must apply for an entry visa, okay. For voluntary work, they have other requirements. Address proof, incorporation letter of employer, organization, company in India, undertaking from the letter. So you need some uh, letters from employer also. Okay. Letter from employer for issuing employment with a copy of educational certificate, experience certificate of applicant from the employer. Okay. Fine. So coming to this page, so this is how you do. You need to fill the form, then schedule an appointment here in Canada to BLS for your biometric and form submission, and then it goes for the processing. And if granted, you are gonna get it. So the very first step is to submit. So you're gonna select mission based on your location. So let's say you're Canadian. It is still populating. Let me refresh. First, you need to select this. Yeah, this time it got populated. Birth. So I'm just putting a sample date. It is okay. Email address. I'm gonna put one sample. That's at no email. Expected date of arrival. So these are mandatory fields. So I'm just putting a sample. Visa type. Here you are going to select employment. Purpose. Yeah, this is very important. Intra-company transferee for employment in NGO, steel sector, coming to execute projects in power stations. So be very careful. Okay. So I'm gonna select for intra-company transfer. Like, let's say there is a company who operates in India as well as Canada, and you are an employee of Canada of the company, and now you want to work in India. It could be for various reasons. So that's where it is. Click on continue. Okay, perfect. Surname as shown in your passport given name. Okay. I'm just gonna put some sample. Okay, let me some good guessing. Your name, date of birth, it has picked up from the previous. They ask for religion also. Whatever is applicable in your case. This is not my visible mark, so don't consider. Qualification, graduate. Your passport number, sample guys, date. Oh, this is expiry. I have one. Okay. Any other passport identity certificate? Here, I select no. You can go and you can save and temporary exit also. You can come back and do house address. One state, province. Okay. I'm going for sample. Click here for same address. Okay, it's copied. So they have asked the details about parents also. So we need to go put that. Parents is still name, nationality. Oh, place of birth. So mother. What name should I pick? Uh, the Thesis. Okay, very common name. Occupation detail. This is asking question about military, civil, police, security. I select no, but if applicable, do it. Present occupation. NG. Uh, what name I should pick up? Hello IT company. Be careful with this. Provide full address. I am just putting sample, but provide full address in your case. Okay, professional qualification. I'm just putting some sample, but you provide actual details. Company in India. This is a company. In INR salary. EPFO ID. I don't have it, so I'm gonna put some sample. Visa, let's say for 2 years. People expected port of arrival. Just putting New Delhi. Have you visited before? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide the information. To visit and have previously been refused, I select no. Countries visited last 10 years. Have you visited our countries? Select no. Reference name in India. So I just put one thing like sample. Provide full information in your case. I'm just putting samples, so don't go by this. See if it accepts. Okay, this is a declaration, and then you have to pay the fee when you go with the documents. So that I'm not gonna do, but you can answer and then print out and go ahead with that document checklist we already reviewed. And when it comes to the fee, it varies based on your location, because if you're in Canada, you're gonna pay in CAD, and you're in USA, you're gonna pay in USD. So in this way, you can find out what is the currency over there, and from there you can take it up. So I hope you got the idea, and I also showed you the form. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.